Good morning, students. Now, today we are start to going our chapter 3, Introduction to MS Access. MS Access is the main Microsoft Office suite. We have learned about MS Paint, Word, PowerPoint, Excel. Now, moving on MS Access. MS Access is a database kind of a program. Now, database that means all collective information come together when we have work within database. Mainly we can say that is a RDBMS. RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. In this chapter, we are learning about the information about a particular form, like students information, their marks information, their fees information, and regarding so on and on. All these information come together in a student school. When you entered in school, you know that you have your personal identification. With your personal identification related to your academic information, according to your academic information, you need to your fees, your class teachers, your subject teachers, and so many other things. That means we can say that all the things are came together. We have to create a database about the particular information. That is called as a relational database management system. Microsoft Access is very helpful when we have this kind of a database to compare all the other categories. Similarly, you have in class 8, simply there are 9th class students also be there 10th class also be there. From nursery to 7th class, all the students have their own database. You know that all the information are recorded in registers, in form of register, in a form of computers. We can enter our information. Simply, Microsoft Access is also a kind of a program that we can create our database using these different kind of a features. In MS Access, there are too many features that we have. Simply, when you want a particular information about a particular student, you go there and just ask, knowing about him or her. Simply, in MS Access, we also can find any kind of a information on a particular things that we have entered in our database. If you want to know about your academic information in the last 2 years, it will find for you your whole information about that. You can also retrieve anytime whenever you want. So, to start in all this MS Access feature, we know about some important things that we have to do in this class. There are too many features that we have. By using Access, you get as a facility to break large information into a small part, so that can be become very easy to access information in a minimize. We can categorize our information. Simply I said your academic, your fees, your personal identification, and your other curricular activities information. These are also break into the different kind of parts. Data redundancy is minimized. That means duplication of data. We can also create the duplication, that means the similar copy of your information. By enhancing the efficiency, speed and flexibility in the search and access information. It is very easy to get knowing information about the search facilities. If you have any particular information like your father name, your roll number, your date of birth, or your class, it is very easy to find record for a particular things. By using Access, you get the facility to sharing the data. Different user can use the same database to search data as per their requirement. if anybody want to knowing about your information, we can also share your information. This facility access provide data security features and maintain integrity, which is useful to make your data more consistent, reliable also. Access provide the facility to create data forms so that user can enter required information in respective fields. Now when we create our database for a particular information like student information, we have a different kind of fields. First of all, students knowing about the class. You see, we have a different kind of a class. That means 8A, B, C, if many more are going to be into different section. Now, roll number is assigned by the class teacher. 801, 802, 803, and like section B, 851 to 853, 3 and 851, so on. So your personal identifications with your name or your roll number. Then come to the your father name, then your date of birth, your address, your telephone numbers. These are the fields that every student must have to enter their record. In MS Excel, there are too many fields we require when we have a particular information like that. These are your personal information fields. Similarly, your academic fields, your subject, Hindi, English, Science, Maths, SS, Computer, Sanskrit, and your roll number is going to be there. Simply, your fees information from March to April to March or January to December, like that. Your roll number also be there. Now, in all these fields, you are identified by your roll number. I don't know, or we don't know who is 8 number, roll number 804. 804, like your identification in all three fields. Your student information, we know that is by his name, but in fees record or academic record, we really don't need to put there or knowing about their name. Is knowing about his roll number 804. So that 804 is a unique identifier. Later on we will discuss about the primary key, but when we can retrieve all kind of data or calculating information, these are very useful when we use MS Access. Queries in Access can help you to get information on a specific topic from the information stored in a database. Simply, we have a database information. If you want to some particular queries or want to know about the some particular information about the fields, queries are be there to retrieve our data. We simply in your class there are 40 to 45 students. I just want to know how many students are there. Their names starts belongs to D. It is very calculating effort. You can count by the fingertips. But if you have a count with both sections, you start again counting. But queries are the field where we can retrieve our data in a particular manner. Simply, like that, if you want to know about the how many students score above 90 in particular subject maths. So we have to just give a criteria greater than 90 in maths. It just display those students who got their 90 or above 90 marks in maths subject will be shown in the table. So MS Access is very useful when we can also retrieve our data. Features like that. By using report, you can present the data in a meaningful and summarized way. reports. Report is just a printed output over data. If you want to knowing about the particular information about the students, we also can print out using the report features. So using the features of MS Access, it is very helpful to creating a database. Now then, move on creating a new database. Now, how it can be created? First of all, we need a data or a database, a field that we can create information, and at least a kind of information that we fulfill with the particular fields. So in data type, in MS Access, there are too many fields are given. Date and time, yes, no, OLE object, tags, number, currency, hyperlinks, memo, auto, all the data types. When we come to the knowing about the MS Access process, these are things are being there. First of all, we need tags. Tags means we put some tags kind of a work. It can be used. Then number. When we use numerical kind of a work, then currency. According to name, currency then use. Then date and time. Yes, no. Yes, no. That means if you are availability. Yes or no. OLE object. That means you must link your data within other object. Hyperlink also means similar like that. Memo, auto number. When you use serial number, going to be automatic. Rich text in a form of tags. So these are the some data types when we use MS Access. First of all, we have a database to create our work, or we can say that our project also. I already suggest you like that your personal information is also kind of a database. Your roll number, your name, your father name, your date of birth, your phone number or your address. These are the main things. While we have information about a particular student, like in your I card, all of you have in your I card. You will see that all the information that I am telling you, all our things are present in your I card also. This is the information about a particular student. Similarly, we also have information about your academic session by your PT1 or PT2 or S7 or S2. Your marks with the different subjects are also be there. Your fees from January to December also be included in the 12th month. So that these are the data type in MS Access. Then how to close, open and exit from Access is very easy. Is nothing much more about them. We can close our data now. Most of things. When we have created a database, we must save within a meaningful name. Like we are doing our school database management project, so we must give with our roll number. For that, we knowing about this is my work or this is my work, this is all my work. If you all give the school database management system, we can't find a particular student's record because all the names are going to be same. So always, I've already told you about that in the previous classes also. You must save your file within a different name. So it is very easy to, when we back onto the work, we can call them from my document or from anywhere. Very easy when we open the document. Then existing, it is very easy to exit, how to exit from the things. Then how to create a table. Tables are fields where we can create our different kind of tables, like student information, table 1, student mark information in table 2, student fees information in table 3. So there are tables. We can say that the table is the building block of our database. Without table, we can't enter our data. So using table, we can create our database in a design view. Now, design view, we can also design our data. Design, that means which kind of a field we need while creating a database. Simply, I just told you that information about a particular student, student name, student father name, address, phone number, date of birth. I think these are the including your roll number. 6 fields that we need while creating a personal information about a particular student. In a design view, we must put all the 6 fields into the design view and start creating our document. So, in design view, field must be fulfilled with this all 6 fields and put primary key. As I told you earlier, you must assign a primary key. What is primary key? Primary key is a unique identifier where we can identify all the things that we have, like your roll number. That means I already told you that your roll number in your personal information, roll number in your academic information, roll number in your fees information. In all the 3 tables, you will see that roll number is being there. So, assign a primary key, a value, and a unique identifier we can retrieve from database. So, next class we will discuss about more on MS Access. In a design view, we must remind you, in design view must put only those fields that we need to create in our database. So now, for the MS Access is a just new application. We can say that is a new things that we have. So going about the MS Access, get on to the chapters and it will be discussed later on. So that is all of your chapter 3rd, Introduction to MS